Escalade. Still got the stock converters right there. Then the customer requested true duals right there, all the way back, 2.5 inch into 2 1/4 tailpipes right there, custom bent into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled edge tips right there and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There it is. There it is. That's how you true dual them. This is what true duals is, because you guys keep commenting that we don't do duals. That's the difference between true duals and regular duals. So stop commenting that it's not dual. This is true duals. 2003 Escalade. Give it gas. True duals.